comes. I think it's ever going to go. Hey, fucking look. Nice roundabout in there, mate. Hold on. Shitting hellfire. He pulls out in front of me. He doesn't even acknowledge that he's made a mistake. He cuts the roundabout up, and then he just pulls out in front of that blooming Daum it is. Speedy! You fucking fool. Look at the state of you, what you doing? Oh, fucking hellfire. Jesus, what was the point? What was the point? Right, fucking hell, I know you're late, but Jesus, let's kill everyone in the process. I'll wait to fucking put these on YouTube tonight. Beat him, bitch! Yeehaw, go on. Oh! What a fucking prick! What an I can't believe he just fucking done that. What an absolute tosser. What a fucking tosser. Holy shit, I can't believe I just witnessed that. Beat it! And then he just fucking turned right in a fucking wrong lane. Oh. Can you turn right here now? What? They've sorted it out. Oh, yeah. Thanks for hugging the right hand side of the road, pal. And now you're braking. Fucking see, you're a prick. You're a bit of a fucking cunt, aren't you? It's like it's been ages since I come this way. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, bump. Still bumpy as fuck. Perfection. Love it. Well done. Hit your arse in. God, you just want to quit taking your kids to that nursery, wouldn't you? Shit. You're not going in for fucking for weeks. I can't park. I'll be sorting out this road. Sweat a bit. Do you know what? You come away thinking there's going to be no roadworks, and once again, there's fucking roadworks. Shit in hellfire. This road has had roadworks on it more than it's had fucking cars.